Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you have a Kia Optima guys and you're trying to find where the fuse guys for the power outlet is, where you charge your phone, stay with us and we'll explain that. For the phone power outlets, you actually have two of them. We'll cover both of them at the same time. So that's what we'll be doing today. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan, guys, on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle, next to the food where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover, and that's where the fuses are. So we went inside, guys, okay, and we took a picture of the fuse box, as I told you we will do, so you can show you with greater detail, okay, what we are talking about. This is the back cover of the lid, okay, that we have, so we can show you with great detail. So if you look at it, guys, okay, if you come to the very third row, 1, 2, 3, and that very top fuse right here, that's known as power outlet fuse. That's the fuse, guys, actually for the power outlet, the front power outlet. And if you're looking for the cigarette lighter fuse, okay, it will be right next to it. Okay, it will be this fuse right here. Both of them are 15 amp fuse, guys, and always test them. We have a special video that explains how to simply test the fuse in just a few seconds, because if you don't test them, you think it's a good fuse, you put it in, you still have problems with your Kia Optima, you're going to spend more time and money to fix it, guys, when all you had to do, test the fuse, find out it's bad and replace it, guys. So I'll put the link to a video that explains how to do that. Also, if you need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, we'll share the link in the description of the video below as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.